Hey guys, what's going on? Mark here from TST Industries, back in the shop with another video. In front of me, we have a white table with some products. Behind me, we have a motorcycle on a lift. And we're here to install some bar ends on this beautiful 2020 Yamaha MT-03. Now these bar ends are provided by Womet-Tech, our partner company based out of Poland. By default, they're available in black. And as you can see in front of the bar ends, we do have a few different color options available that you can add in as an addition. Now it is a two-piece system. We have an aluminum base, we have the accent ring, and then on the end of them is a delrin cap. The delrin cap will always be black. The only color difference is going to be the accent ring in the middle. And these bar ends are meant to be installed on the stock handlebars of your 2020 and up Yamaha MT-03. If you change out your handlebars, chances are they're gonna have a different internal threading. We do have some universal ones that may work for you, but just please keep that in mind. Should you change out your handlebars, these bar ends will not work. Now you may be wondering, why are some of these other products available? I just wanted to show you the full range of products, crash protection products for your MT-03. As I mentioned, we are doing the bar end install, but we also have some frame sliders for your crucial engine components and your fairings. We have our front fork sliders, which protect your front fork legs, some of the crucial braking components, and spools and spool sliders. Now please note, there's no standard crash. When you go down, it is always going to be different from the last time you went down or from the time your buddy went down in the same spot. We have no way of standardizing crashes, so we have no way of standardizing the crash protection we can make available. These are not airbags that will protect your bike when it feels it's going to go down. These are meant to minimize the damage taken on by your motorcycle should you go down, and help you be able to pick the bike up, hopefully, and get it to a safe location or even ride it home. So without further ado, this is a pretty simple, straightforward installation of bar ends. No special tools are required. Let's just go ahead and jump right in and get started. All right, so here we are with our 2020 Yamaha MT-03. Today's video, we are going to be replacing the stock bar ends on the OEM handlebars with our Womet-Tech ones. As you saw on the table, we do have a few different accent colors. These are made to just easily swap over. By default, these are sold as a pair, and you will get a black set. Should you want to go ahead and change out the color, it's pretty simple. Remove the bolt, take the delrin cap off, and then this little accent ring comes right off. Something to note about the colors, although we do offer them in silver, gold, blue, and red, those colors are not meant to match anything in particular, so please keep that in mind. Honda red and BMW red and Ducati red, those are all different reds. Womet-Tech and other manufacturers have no way of standardizing those colors and the differences. So red is just red, gold is just gold, silver is just silver, blue is just blue. They're not gonna match any manufacturer colors or a different color accent that you have on your bike. Just please keep that in mind when you're buying these. Now, for this installation, it's pretty straightforward. All you need is a 5mm T-handle or Allen head. What we're gonna do is take this T-handle, put it in the OEM bar ends, and you're gonna turn it counterclockwise. It'll break loose. It's actually pretty easy. Some other bikes, they do put red Loctite. I don't think they put any on this particular model. We'll back this out completely, and that's the removal of the OEM bar ends. Now you will see on the inner surface of the OEM handlebar, there's this threaded portion. It's a threaded weight, and it has a little cutout on it. The Womet-Tech bar ends are designed to bypass that. They have this little geometry here that just accepts and sits flush against it. And when you're installing it, you're just gonna hold it with one hand, tighten it down until it gets nice and snug. Once it's nice and snug, you just wanna maybe give it another half turn or a quarter turn. You don't wanna tighten it too much, cross thread, break that bolt. You'll be dealing with a lot more headaches than not. And that's it. That installation's complete. We're gonna hop on over to the brake side of the motorcycle, install it on that, and we'll be done here. All right, so here we are on the brake side or throttle side of the 2020 MT-03. Same process. Take your T-handle, you're gonna go ahead and break that OEM bolt loose, back it out completely. And now when you're reinstalling the Womet-Tech bar ends or any other bar ends, even the stock ones, you wanna make sure that your throttle still does move freely. You wanna make sure it snaps back properly. Last thing you need is unintentional cruise control on the highway after doing a bar end install. That can be very dangerous. So we're gonna go ahead and line this up again on the base. Now you will see it has a little bit of a standoff. I'm not sure if you could see that on the camera. Same goes on the clutch side. That's just to make sure that the throttle is able to snap back properly. It just gives it a little bit of spacing. So don't be alarmed if you see a little bit of that silver base. That's intentional. Now we're completely nice and snug against there. We're just gonna give it a nice quarter turn. This installation is complete. It's pretty straightforward. Like I showed and let you all know, you don't need any special tools. These are available as always on tstindustries.com. Visit our website. We have the full assortment of crash protection products and many other products available for this model and countless others. So be sure to check us out. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Give us a thumbs up. Leave your comments, questions, concerns in the comments below. For now, this is Mark, TST. You guys ride safe.